guys, welcome back. Today we're going to make the second part of our previous project that was squares. Of course we're gonna change its name because we're gonna add more to it. And if you haven't watched our previous video, so you'll find the link in the description below. Yet our last one was square. So we're gonna be changing the name first, because what if we rename it into shapes? And then we save it. You see, in last time we pressed draw a shape and it made a square, a very big one. So what if we give it a smaller size, like 100? Sure, that would make it smaller, yeah. Then we go to design. We're gonna have to bring some changings, I guess. So this one button that we had button draw, let's make it button square. You know, because this one is now gonna work for the square only. And then we're gonna also give it a new text, which will be square. And then we'll give it a little bit of, I guess the width should be 100, yeah. And then we corner it on a side, like there. We add another button and put it on that side, just a little there. Let's name this button, give it an ID, or perhaps like BTN underscore. What if we give this one a triangle? Triangle. And then the text will be triangle, just like in that one it was square. There. Now let's give it a capital T. It'd work out fine. Now we add another button, but let's just bring them a little closer because or else they're too far apart. And now we add another button right there. Just a little bit to the left, no, a little bit to the right. There. Perfect. Let's give it another ID because IDs are important. They help us recognize the button. This one will be button circle. I know, circle, it might be a little hard, but it's gonna work out just fine together. Because circle might be a little complicated and the code might be a teeny bit long, but it's not gonna be long, not at all. Just, circle is a complicated shape to make because we have to give it a full curve, like a flat sphere or a flat ball. So we can still do it, it's possible. BTN underscore, and this one should be rectangle. And then let's give it a text that will also be rectangle. There we go. And now we're done with the design part. That's what I think. And now we go to the code part. We're gonna be making this instead of button drop button circle click because we gave it a new ID, remember? No, it wasn't circle, it was square, wasn't it? Of course it was. This code will be a little, well, close. So button triangle click and then go to control. The first one's what we need. And then we're gonna need to go to turtle, move forward, and turn right. We're just gonna have to change the values. This one, instead of 4, we give it a 3. It'll move forward 100 and turn right 120. Should we check if it works? And we should give it a go. Square, triangle. Yeah, the size is too big. 200. Let's give it 100. Now, triangle and square. Good idea. Now let's move to our next one. UI controls. And this one should be rectangle. Yeah, let's give it the ID of the button rectangle. Click. And then control, just like always. And then we're going to go to turtle, give it a move forward. And turn right. And then a another move forward, and another turn right. I'm going to change these values, but first, this one will be 2 instead, as 2 sides will be equal. This will be 4 sides equal, this 3 equal, and this is 2 equal each. Let's change these values there. Let's give it the value of 100. This one should stay 90. This one, give it 50, and this one 90. Yeah, perfect. Now let's give it a go. Rectangle. Yeah, makes a great rectangle, don't you think? Now we're gonna go on to the little bit of tricky part. We're gonna make the circle. Okay, so we'll give it the ID of button circle. Will be in turtle and up, and then it'll be move to this one. No. It's gonna be moved to. We're gonna give this place the value of 100 and the other one the value of 200. And we give it a pen down, and then we look for pen RGB. Right here. Put it right there, and all random numbers from math. Random number to this part, random number to the other little box too, and then random number to this one. Now we'll set values inside this 1 till 10, 1 till 10, 1 till 10. This one will be 1 till 100, and then this one will be 50 till 200, and then the last will be 1 till 150. Okay, now we're gonna bring this under control, give it this one, put it there. You know, it's important for the circle. It will be 75, and then we go to turtle, move forward, and turn right. Now, as I'll be given the values, this move forward will be 5, and this turn right will also be 5. Now let's give it a go. Square, triangle, rectangle, circle. Okay, they work. Great job, everyone. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. See you again in our next class. Bye.